Hi there. With some versions of Vim you get a problem when you're editing awk files, so the indenting doesn't work the way you want it to. So I'm trying to get my indenting to work like this. But if I try and create a new file, so I'll call it 2.awk, and I'll try and create what I had before, so I'm going to have awk like that. I'm going to go in 3 spaces there and type my begin. You can see it's changing the colour of the begin, so it's recognising that there's some awk code here. There's my open curly brace, and I want to put the second one in to close it, and you can see that straight away it's put the second one, the closed one, over to the right, when actually what I wanted it to be below the begin. And that's what's happening as a default behaviour in this version of Vim. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to quickly show you an easy way to fix that. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to create a special file which will basically turn off all that indenting that you don't want. So this file has to live in a certain area. So where it's going to be is it's going to be in, I'll show you where it's what we're looking for. It'll be in a directory under your home area, and then it'll be in a .vim directory, and then indent after that. So I've got a directory called that, but I had to create it, so you might find that you haven't got one, in which case you're going to have to create this directory first. So when you've got that directory, then we're going to put a file in there which is called slash, so we're going to call it awk.vim. So it's got to be called that. So I'm going to create and open a file called awk.vim in there, and you just got to put one line in there, and that line says let space b colon did, as in did, underscore indent space equals space 1, and save that. So now we've created that file. So let's go and have a look at what difference that's made. So now I'll try and create my 2.awk script again. So open it up, and I'll go for the same code again. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 indents. There's my begin. Now again, it's still recognising that this is awk code, because as you can see, it's highlighting the syntax. So there's my open curly brace, and now when I go to put my next line in, it's taking me right back to the start of the line. So now I'm going to put the closing one where I want it to be, which is exactly there. And now if I want to put some code in here, then I can do that. So the downside of this is that you haven't got any auto indenting at all, but of course the upside is that you can have it exactly how you want it, and you're not getting the distraction of it, putting it in odd places and then having to mess about trying to get it back where you want it. So that's the answer. You just create that one little file, and it turns off the indenting, but you still get the syntax that you want, syntax checking that you want from the editor. So you still get that side of it. So that's how you do it.